Fuck this shit.
See the part over here that's still up against the wall? Right there, yeah. Wait, no, not there.
She
the
doesn't
one
know I'm
there.
recording this.
The what?
Please close this down.
The
Don't stick it in there.
The bird is not there.
Yes, it is.
You don't think we'd hear it?
We did.
So
You're
here.
gonna you pry that down.
Okay.
Not necessarily off, but enough for the bird will want to like, maybe fly out.
Great, at my fucking face. I can't do this and hold the bucket up there at the same time. Jesus Christ. How many times have we had fucking weird ass critters in our house?
Can you
Dinosaurs
lay
and
up
birds
here.
and turtles. Oh my. Jesus. I can't. You guys probably fucking caught the bird and put it let loose in the house just so you could get some entertainment from my ass. I'm sorry. Black people are supposed to be the ones that don't do this kind of shit. They don't fucking nature.
Good thing you're only half.
Yeah, thanks, Mom. Fuck you.
Ew.
Oh, yeah, it's all sticky and shit.
Oh, don't kill the bird.
I'm not gonna kill the bird. I might kill myself, though. I almost fucking jabbed this thing in my eye.
That won't kill you. You'll still live and be real pretty.
Yeah, that's...
Pry it, you pry. You pry.
Dude, eat some Wheaties or something. What is wrong with you?
Pry.
Are you videotaping me?
You should have done it from my angle here.
I can move.
You are the world's fucking best backseat bird getter.
I can't get in there unless I lay it on the stove.
Oh my god, you are not that... It's right here. You're not that short. Look, my arms are all bent. You're fine. I can't...
Yeah, but
Well,
you're
you
much
needed
stronger.
It's fucking really gross.
You needed somebody in
It's
the elevator
stuck.
that...
Yeah, it's stuck. It's because it's fucking glued.
Yeah, Miss... Oh, they didn't put this back on very well. It's I can't get it off. They did a fine job, ma'am. You might want to, you know,
I think
retract
I
that
might
letter to the
have to
Better Business Bureau.
Oh my god.
Go out the door! Oh my god, if he's perched on the naked lady's crotch, I'm gonna die laughing right now.
What?
It is! Hi, bird.
She's like, yeah, right there, land right there.
Just so you know, that's the window that it's been trying to get out for 2 days now. There's the open door. There's the back door.
That was also...
That was open. There's Griffin.
No, he's perched on the naked lady's pooch.
You know what?
On the naked lady's pooch.
There's the cupboard. And there's the door. We got a retarded bird.